With Taliup's streamlined employee timesheets, keeping track of hours worked becomes fast, accurate, and completely stress-free. From the Employee Management Hub, managers can view timesheets for the entire team in just one click. Filter timesheets by date or employee to see exact clock-in and clock-out times, total hours and minutes worked, and even pay calculations when rates are set. Taliup also provides roll-ups like regular hours, paid hours, and, when configured, labor cost totals, giving you clear visibility into staffing expenses. Missed punches are no longer a headache. Managers can manually create new entries or edit existing ones to correct hours instantly. Your employees can clock in or clock out by signing in from the POS device to note their shift start, shift end or breaks. And voila, their clock-ins and clock-outs are reflected directly under Timesheets tab. With Taliup's simplified timesheets, entries are automatic, reports are accurate, and no more payroll mistakes for your business.